On the left side, Gumba and I phased through the mirror.
Oh, you guys both trolled.
We love perspective. Was I hit the wrong ones anyway, so.
You know what? Now he can't leave. He died.
Good game.
Good game. Good game.
He's don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me, dumb bitch. Good pattern. Yes, yes, yes. Don't do anything stupid. Don't do it. Yes, this is okay. I'm okay with this. Yes, yes. No, he sucked dick. Ow! What the?
What the?
Oh, that sucks.
I can't get over there! That's fucking dumb!
Go back up.
That was
Oh, I'm gonna get
nice.
hit by that. Oh, we're good. No, we're good. Heal. Heal, Bard. See? Yes! We're inters! Heal. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what I left you. She's going backward. That's... Ma'am! What the?
Hey, she's out now.
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Door
No. Singeing my
I just saw someone walk through the fucking laser.
I got it.
tasty.
Tasty.
Look at your HP. Say thank you.
Say mock mock.
Say mark mark.
Hey, he's a parsing bard. He's running magic stream.
Who let us here?
Oh, he's definitely parsing by not letting me fucking heal. I'm dead.
I'm standing here.
Yep, yep, yep.
Yep, cop.
Gambay, please move a bit more to that side. So, yep. Yep, 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 yep.
Yep, cock.
Yep, cock.
We're all retarded, I swear.
No, but yeah, the bard is
Stay.
the bard is like fucking running magic stream. Like, hello. And I think he said before that he does not have heavy armor, so Venice.
He's a good player.
Oh,
And it's over. I fucking quit. I got hit by that.
don't worry, everyone got hit by that. Me and Spiral also, and the bard.
Ma'am?
Boss.
I'm Jowl! What the?
Ooh,
That's
Oh.
Tiger, huge.
ooh, I don't have a meter.
Dog.
Someone did though. Someone had meter. You guys want me to be on your side or no?
No, we're good. As long as we don't.
No, I
face
think
the
it's
mirror.
fine. I just did not like use eyes
Dude,
properly.
you got on your side, Egg.
Just wait
You're
for
not
me.
allowed over here.
Yeah, yeah, no, I was on my side. I just hit the wrong
Okay.
arrow.
He just entered.
Middle.
Third one. Or I'm. Oh, don't listen to me.
Middle.
I got it. Hey, he took it. What the fuck? Mock mock. What the?
Mock mock.
Was that not the right one? I'm dead.
I guess answer is no.
Right side. Right side.
I had no counter.
What the? I got the number.
Wait, he has the side rail.
Alright, it's Spyro.
He was imprisoned.
Oh, that would do it.
Oh yeah, if you are the party leader, you can't get the last counter, cause it silences you. You can't use the side rail. 9-3.
Would do it.
Okay.
Why did that hit me? Mock mock.
Mock.
I'm assuming this.
Oh, it's right on top of her.
If it doesn't, I quit the fucking game. Three what now? Mock mock.
Mock mock.
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm just building meter on the boss. Yep.
Top right will be free for tether.
Top right is where
Not
she's
so
at.
much.
I mean, we're going bottom left, no?
She's gonna. I don't know about bottom left. Oh, it's just fucking leave, I
I'm
guess.
just eating this, I guess. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I'm gonna scout. Oh yeah, bottom left is good.
Okay.
Won't be easy to escape me.
You frame perfect dogs by Doomsday, hello?
Sounds like you're a fucking bozo. Oh, well, that's not good. I have 2 mucks.
Two mocks.
Yup.
Only one. Yeah, there's only one.
No, I have 2.
Oh,
No, he has two.
oh, I see. I see.
Yeah, I have 2
Oh,
mucks.
shit.
I know.
Yar.
Don't hurt me.
Oh my god,
No.
he was about to knock us into the air.
Shower.
Wait, this is a good run for patterns.
Bro, she's like doing
Say
fuck
that.
all
Why
every
would you say
time.
that?
I'm dead. I'm safe. So scary.
Oh! Yep, I saw that. Yeah. Man.
Fuck. It's very out of range.
I will actually get my hype back, or my awakening back after that blender. Cause this fucking game is crazy. Uh-oh. Fuck. I'm about to lose a stack. Guys. I'm back at 1. We won the game.
Let's go.
Let's go. What the fuck? What?
There's him.
Oh, she just cancels it. Wait,
Pyro?
I beat the other sock for now.
Time to shine. You are the goat.
Nerf Sork.
I'm dead.
Goodbye.
Wait, if I get hit by a second one, I'm actually dead. Oh shit. This fucking. Is she? Okay, she's not.
Someone danger ping.
Red. Why did it take so long?
That's the thing I hate about it. You can't precast it anyway because it's a random duration and sometimes it
Why
just
is
takes 10 years.
it random?
Sometimes it just takes 10 years for her to be like, yep, I shall do it.
Fuck. Give me the
Down
fuck.
your burdens.
Yes.
Muck.
Oh, who's the simp? The other sock is a
It's
simp.
always me. It's always me. Oh no. Never mind. Talk about something else.
Stagger her TDs. Pow, 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 pow.
Oh shit.
Oh!
Oh shit.
He's fine.
I think Spyro should be fine. I don't see. Yeah.
Dead.
He only gets-
Bad tits. Die.
Mmm.
I just lost another
Ink.
stack. Wait.
No skip.
Okay, watch curse.
You can watch a little bit.
There's like a theory of like technically you should not need to wait through the cutscene because you should be able to push her to snake
Shut
fast
the fuck
enough.
up, Egg. We suck cock. I'm waiting.
What the?
I want her to suck my cock.
Yep, cock.
Oh.
Yo, what?
What
That's
has
crazy.
I think
You
all
have
of
to-
us do, no?
You have to get deathless. Are we deathless so far? No, someone fucking died.
In that little bathtub.
Alright,
We-
no face, I'm out.
Feel a gaze from inside the pile of seeds.
Why is my hype still on? I want to quit the game. Oh, thank you. Oh, fuck. This is cringe.
Cringe.
I can't play. I believe in you guys. Bye-bye. I literally didn't do anything. You're welcome. Well, you guys are pumping. Stop fucking pumping. No, stop pumping. Stop pumping. I'm not gonna have it. Wait, do something dumb. Yes, this is dumb.
But this is a good pattern.
Out.
I have my hype, guys.
I'm dead.
You
Yep.
almost fucking took my hype from me.
I was also just trying to get full meter. That was a good pattern to get.
We tried to take that from you?
The other Sork.
Didn't
I mean, it just looks scary because you know it's like I'm not there at the start of it, so people get scared. But yeah.
Wait,
She
I
just
stood
left
there
alone.
way too long. I'm sorry, guys. Wait, I blanked out. I got that snake to 48. I'm sorry. That's my bad.
What about a second snake?
That was like 70. I think.
Oh,
No,
But I think-
I literally agree.
Cringe.
but I think I think the other Sork griefed more. I don't think he had ignite for the snakes.
Someone
why he
did
will-
some damage because the fucking top one died.
Like,
Very fast.
I think that was why he was trying to take the clash because he did not have ignite.
Back up.
I can't see the boss.
Please don't do the thing here.
We should get second clash soon. I don't think anyone's gonna hit the wall, right?
Get the thing, get the thing, get the thing! You're all dick.
Oh,
Wait, why'd you serenade there? Oh, this is why. Oh. That's why.
do I grieve the next snake
What does that mean?
by not having ignite?
No. That sounds bad.
It is. I have
Fernie,
40%
you're
meter
fucking
right now.
distracting me.
He's also going to one-shot you. If you're a bozo.
I'm always a bozo.
I'm a bozo.
Mark, mark.
Mark, mark.
Meh.
Oh, a heal? Thank you. So kind.
I think the snake will die.
No, I don't think so. Unfortunately. Wait a moment.
I'm pretty sure you're wrong as fuck, sir. Never mind. We suck! Wait.
This is why I don't like the fact that it's like the Sork is taking the second clash, cause if he's a one here, right?
You should have taken the third one. Third one.
I just didn't want to say anything, cause at the end of the day, it's like
I mean, it makes
not-
no sense for him to take it, but it's whatever.
not the biggest deal, but yeah. It's fine though. She's already 80 bars. Like we're pretty on pace so far.
No, I have no worries. Except I'm angry. Oh, Sorks, do your thing. Do the Sork thing. Kill the boss. This is literally your Kuming. I can fucking hear you pulling down your pants.
I did not fucking crit anything, bro.
Well, you over. Time to quit Lost Ark. Fucking idiot. I'll fucking take this shit because I'm worth it.
The other guy already called it, so I think he's going for it.
Bad. Eat a dick.
Okay. What is it? 3 minutes 40 seconds. Oh yeah. 3.
Why am I pumping? I'm pumping! Pay attention.
Right, left, right.
Alright, so you guys are fucking hitting it, it's scaring me.
I'm like, unironically, I just can't do nothing. Like, I have to be doing something. I'm just like auto attacking it. My Doomsday did not crit. Hello.
Hi.
Walkie walk walk.
Man, I still remember when you first did this, we were all danger pinging and you were just still in there.
I didn't know!
Everyone was danger pinging, and then
I
there
don't
was
have audio on, I don't hear anything.
and there was just this goober soul fist.
I don't. Hey! Ah, I'm dead!
Yes, my
Dead.
look at me. I want
Purify?
your face.
Sleep at 3?
Purify.
Do not look directly toward
Tree? There's nothing a tree. What?
You need to stun it.
Someone's not up.
Stun it.
Now it's up.
Fuck, fuck.
Cringe.
I don't, as in
That's good,
before
bitch.
the fucking raid ends, right? That'd be stupid.
Yeah, no, you don't.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Ow.
Unless like she's in the Azena kill zone, you save for Infernia.
Oh fuck.
But even then.
But we shouldn't need either.
Hey!
Oh.
What the waka waka. Okay, I'll
This is
actually
not-
do this one.
it's not Inferno,
I
this is not
promise I'll do
Inferno.
this one. I won't greet it. I'm the goat.
He's the go.
I don't even think I can. You fucking pussy.
Okay, there we go. Okay, Riff. You just immediately Azena after the first wave.
Okay.
Because if as we get counters, right, we should get Azena again after the second wave of counters.
Grabbing.
Okay, free pattern.
Freeze
2,
a word.
3. I mean, it's free for me.
Yeah. Stinky fucking.
Okay, this is also a good pattern.
Not a bad one. Dude, she's dead already. No. Sir?
3.
Not 11, not 11, not 11.
5.
She should die.
Yep.
Grab.
Oh, yeah, you shouldn't use secondary, but I think it's fine anyway. She's like mostly the edge.
I can do it.
Eleven 5-9.
Help!
GG. Egg pumped.
Wait, I'm better. I'm the best player, yeah?
Huh?
Yes?
Wait, I actually beat the other. What the?
What the?
What the?
What the?